Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today's video I will help you how to fix Play Store you have not set up purchase verification. If you are facing this type of issue, then you are on right place. Let's follow my steps and don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, go back here and check that you have a strong internet connection. Tap and hold on Play Store app. Click on app info. Click on storage and cache. Clear cache. Go back here. Now open your Play Store. Tap on your profile icon and click on settings. Click on purchase verification and turn this on. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.